Then we're overhand weave on the left, and right turn 360 in the weave, and then a left turn 360 in the weave. Open it up, chase the sun, and come up into that pinwheel again. We'll do the extension 3 times. 1 and 2 and 3. And now do your 360. And come down into overhand weave on the left. And then turn left away from me into clockwise pinwheel. And turn left away from, or turn left to the left side into underhand weave. And then turn left into counterclockwise pinwheel. And come down into chase the sun. Okay, wait, so we're overhand on the left. Let's double stall between the legs, sweep over the top. And we're going to come under the leg with the left poi as we pivot, turn, and come over the top. So we're chasing the sun, lifting the left leg, doing the transition under the leg. And let's try that a third time. Come under the leg, sweep back up over the top. And let's just break that down. So the left hand alone. So the movement is this. This is your sweep back. Then you come up over the top. As you are coming, I'll face this way so you can see, as you're coming to the bottom of the turn, you're going to put your hand in your crotch, come between your legs, lift your leg, and come back. So it looks like this. You come under your leg, give yourself a reach around, come out underhand on the left side. So it's overhand on the right. So you put your weight on your right foot, you lift your left leg, your hand comes underneath, and you do the circle behind your ass as you turn. Yeah. If we just did the footwork, you're standing here like this in your T stance, like you normally would. Then what you do is you lift into your right leg. Then you're going to rotate and open your leg to the back because your hand, so here, if you look at me this way, I'm in my T stance. My hand is going to come under my leg. I'm going to lift and open this way. So watch with the poi. I'm going to come under the leg. Right leg is forward. Then you step into your right leg to put your weight on your right leg. Then your hands are going to come underneath your crotch. And as you turn to the left and come out in underhand. So the circle's behind your ass and you come out in underhand. Do the loop under your butt and turn. So you do the loop and then you come out underhand. Just like you would do a sweep back, right? It's the same thing. It's just that you step and turn down here and you come out underhand here. Just like you would, like when you do a normal sweep back, you come out underhand. It's the same thing. It's just that instead of going behind your hip, it goes under your leg and behind your hip. I will exaggerate slightly, but here's the difference in the aesthetic. This is the... Oh, wait, no, wait. Right, that's like the awkward way. This is the nice... Right, do you see the long line, the pointed toe, the full extension? That's what you're looking for. I mean, unless you're going for more of a hip-hop look, which is less that aesthetic. You're here, you're overhand, and let's just remind ourselves, this time instead of trying to go under the leg, just step into your right leg and pivot without going under the leg. Right? You're still going to step into the right, pivot, but don't go under the leg. Step in, pivot, don't go under. Step in, pivot, don't go under. And then when you're ready, you can add the under the leg. The full combination, as I think about it, is I'm in a chasing the sun, clockwise, and I'm taking the left poi underneath the left leg, stepping into the right, and then I go back into the chasing the sun. But that's me just putting it together quickly, right? I'm coming out into underhand and then immediately coming back over the top. Instead of that, I could do something like this, where I come out and I go into underhand weave.